Ever wondered why some people get a Brazilian wax and don't even flinch? It's not magic, it's technique. And it all starts before the wax even touches the skin. True comfort begins before we touch anything. It starts with a warm greeting, calm room lighting, and a quick chat to build trust. There's no rush. The client controls the pace. Next, the comfort warm-up touch. A light, gentle touch with the back of the hand relaxes the mind before any action. It's a slow, deliberate movement that supports nervous clients and instantly reduces tension. Now for the prep step most people skip. Good prep means less sensitivity. We make sure the skin is clean, dry, and apply a light powder if needed. A quick, gentle stretch test tells us we're ready. Smart temperature control is next. The wax should be warm enough to melt, but cool enough for comfort. I always test it on my wrist first to ensure it has that smooth elasticity, which is much safer for sensitive skin. Then comes the triple seaport stretch. Supporting the skin from 3 angles means fewer surprises. Fingers stabilize, the hand anchors, and the stretch follows the direction of hair growth. This prevents tugging and calms nervous clients. The application itself is key. A thin layer of wax means less pull and less reaction. We spread it evenly with controlled pressure and smooth edges for a fast cooling time and a better grip. Then, the low angle removal. The angle determines comfort, and a lower angle is always calmer. It's a fast, parallel pull, not a jerky, upward yank. A smooth wrist motion and a practiced rhythm make all the difference. Here's a trick that works on everyone. Breathing synchronization. I cue the client to exhale just before the pull. When they exhale, the body naturally relaxes, which means less reaction. It builds trust and is especially calming for first-timers. We also use a bend and lay application trick. The smoother the wax lays, the gentler the removal. It's a slow wrist bend with even tension, no dragging, creating clean edges and less stress on the skin. And what about that flinch reflex? The pressure reset touch is a game changer. Immediately after the pull, a quick, light press with the fingertips for 1 or 2 seconds calms the nerves and reduces any stinging. It's simple but incredibly powerful. We also use a comfort glide, where smooth hand movements and gentle palm contact provide sensory reassurance and help clients relax. Big city spas in places like New York use what I call the confidence cue. It's micro-reassurance, calm commentary, step-by-step updates, and positive affirmations. Never staying silent builds trust. From London, we borrow the slow-paced touch. No rushing, smooth transitions, and a stable hand create a consistent rhythm that encourages comfort, especially for mature clients. The Sydney stretch loop is another fantastic technique. Stretch, apply, release. It's a simple rhythm that works globally with minimal discomfort. And finally, the micro-pull method. Smaller pulls mean smoother reactions. We break the area into small sections and keep the strips short. This improves accuracy, avoids yanking, and is perfect for sensitive areas. So, why did her skin stay so calm the entire time? It's because we pre-cleansed to remove oils. The warm wax created a soothing heat, and we worked in small, controlled sections. By gently stretching the skin, using a consistent rhythm, and finishing with light pressure, her skin remained relaxed and stable. Pros use a sectioning trick for zero stress. They divide the area into predictable zones and map out the transitions before starting. This avoids taking too much wax at once. Perfect timing is also crucial. We wait until the wax is semi-firm, checking the edge with a light tap. A consistent count of 3 to 6 seconds keeps the rhythm steady. The comfort lift is a zero-surprise technique. Most discomfort happens in the first motion, so we fix that. We bend the wax edge back, anchor the skin firmly with 2 fingers, and pull close to the skin, not upward. This is followed immediately by gentle compression. And what about that unshakable calm? It comes from relaxation cues used in New York, Sydney, and Nairobi. We explain the steps, guide their breathing, and keep movements predictable. The safe temperature rule is non-negotiable. Correct temperature equals comfort. We use a digital warmer, stir the wax, and test it on our own wrist every single time. And to remove hesitation, we use the one-motion confidence technique. Anchor the skin, commit to a clean, steady motion, and don't stop midway. Follow with compression and reassurance. The wax itself should glide like warm honey. We use even pressure, follow the hair growth, and keep the thickness consistent. After the pull comes the part clients love most: instant comfort. A light press with a gentle cooling gel soothes the skin and rebalances its temperature. To keep that flawless look, the 48-hour smooth skin plan is essential. Avoid tight clothing and high-heat activities. Use a mild cleanser, and keep the area moist. Gently exfoliate after 48 hours to prevent ingrowns. But why do some clients stay so calm? It's psychology. Proper briefing, building trust with a consistent rhythm, and a calm practitioner all reduce fear and surprise. Even my posture affects client comfort. I keep my shoulders relaxed, stand at a 45-degree angle, and anchor my elbows for stability. Consistency is comfort. This means the same wax thickness, the same removal speed, and the same pressure every single time. For beginners, the wax mapping blueprint is a lifesaver. Before you start, you should have a roadmap. Identify growth patterns and plan your sequence from easy to more sensitive zones. It all comes down to the confidence loop. If the practitioner is confident, the client stays calm. This is achieved through clear explanations, calm breathing, firm anchoring, a steady removal, and quick pressure after each pull. It's a combination of skill and care that makes all the difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more pro tips.